yeah, I just want to do a quick introduction really. My name's Sarah, my partner's called Peter. We own Vinny, little Jack Russell, and then Noodles, she's 12. We were Vanlifers for a number of years, like many other people. We was working on caravan parks and then we was going off to Spain for the winter. And then we did it for years, and I'm sure if other people's done worked as campsite wardens, you start to get jaded by it all, and it just stops becoming pleasurable. You start to hate people, hate kids. Just, yeah, you just kind of get fed up with it. So probably about 3 years ago, we stopped doing that, and we were still van lifers. And then last year, my dad died, and I inherited the house, and it was a wreck. So we've spent since November last year renovating. In the December after my dad died, we had a little Jack Russell called Ruby. She was one of the reasons we did get a campervan 6-7 years ago, and we started to go to Spain with her, because we always said, oh, wouldn't it be so nice, Ruby, to be here on the beach. So we did. That was how that started. And then she died in December, and it was just really hard without her. And then Vinny came along. Didn't want another dog, if I'm honest, because terriers are terrible. Wouldn't wish him on my worst enemy. But then he came along, and I think with Ruby, I regretted really not taking as many videos. I did take some, obviously, and I put some on my Facebook page and TikTok, but I regret not doing more for our adventures. And we did a lot with her. She went everywhere. So this is what the channel's about. You won't probably see me again for a while. That was just to introduce us really. But I just want to document, where you can go with dogs, how easy it is, as hard as you can make it. We never leave ours. Don't leave them in the campervan. Don't leave them anywhere really, to be fair. So wherever we go, they go. But yeah, we're going to Spain in 3 weeks. In the camper, I'm going there for a few months, so there should be more for you to see, not just field walks. Needing a gel jingling in the background. Thank you. Oh God, really?